Most of the people think that AI can design their whole house in 30 seconds. Honestly, yes or no. Hi, my name is Prashant and I'm an architect and designer. I do a lot of talk about design and how design can enhance our lifestyles. We also showcase our projects and how differently we are doing that in an experimental manner. If you are not subscribed to Oglinginches, please do subscribe and share the video with the people whom you think it might be useful. Understand AI is like, it's not your designer, it's an intern. It will give you output quickly, really fast outputs, really fast results. But still, you have to think a lot about the design. For example, a client comes to me with the requirement of designing their house. I could just give chatgpt a command to design their living room of 400 square feet area with oak wood, layered lighting, some Japanese style. And what I'll get is ready material palette, the suggestions for the colors and textures, the products which are readily available in the market to showcase that design, and maybe a bit of deeper concept. The design is ready. Absolutely not, but it helps me to finish or to get the ideas in a few seconds rather than working on it and brainstorming for 2 hours probably. Most of the time people make a mistake of using AI in a shortcut manner. They'll command design my bedroom. Instead of that, I as a designer give it a command that design this bedroom in some contemporary style with maybe metal, brass, light fixture, some nice Indian motifs maybe on the wall, a wallpaper for example. And it will give me some very interesting ideas which will work and which can help me to imagine rather than sketching for a number of hours. In lots of projects, I have to design layouts like this where a lot of manual work is required, and brainstorming, for example, is a much required when the planning is done for any project. Whereas in AI, if I just give the plan, it will give me random different ideas which can be implemented logically into the plan. Definitely fine-tuning is required. So what does AI do really well? Starting a project, instead of drafting the questionnaire for the clients manually for their project, AI does it very smoothly for me. I just have to tell them, it the basic ideas which may affect based upon the directions, availability of the site from the developer, or maybe if they have any special requirement, for example a gym, where the structural ability of the building is important. In addition to that, POQ and specification is also quick, really quick from AI. It gives me the material palette for my project in detail with the quantities probably if I input the basics of drawing. It will also give me the general cost if I can tell it the approximate wall area or the total floor area, and if I give the general 3Ds to it, it will just calculate the overall approximate details and it will give it to me. Often it also gives me a general script for the videos like this one, where it tells me the case studies which are useful to understand the data which will be required to develop these kind of videos. But where does the AI miserably fail? AI is good in developing the pictures, the images which you need, but it won't be able to add emotions to the plan, to the project, to the design project. For example, you won't be able to get the plumbing layouts, the electrical layout which the electrician might be needing, or solving water issues, waterproofing issues, which a lot of time we see when we get the handover from the builder. There are also going to be finishing issues which the AI won't be able to argue with the contractors. It will also be difficult for it to gauge the perfectness if the contractors are working on time, the financial calculations understanding if the budget is going the right direction or it's exceeding the expectation. And in reality, 80% of the interior design project is all about the site execution rather than the beautiful images which we get. Actually, it's not about AI versus interior designers. It's about how designers can use AI for their creativity. The clients will still need judgment of interior designers, the experience of interior designers, empathy from interior designers, and the creativity, the human creativity from them. And someone who can actually create reality for them. Because creating a beautiful image is easy, but delivering a beautiful project is difficult. By the way, I'm architect Prashant Kulshrestha and I'm the design director at Oglinginches. If you have any comments and what do you think about using AI in interior design or the design industry, please let me know in the comment section. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.